Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton SLG that I purchased on eBay from a Japanese retailer called All Japan Brand Shop, I believe. And I already opened it up so it's easier for me to show you, but it came in sandwiched in this newspaper, and then it was inside this bubble wrap. And here it is. It's a mini pochette in the monogram print, and the quality is, I would say, good to fair. There's a few issues I found on this mini pochette. The D-ring has quite a bit of tarnish. As you can see, it's not brass anymore, it's the silver color. And there is quite a bit of scratches on the clip here. I'm trying to zoom in better. You can see the tarnish here as well, the discoloration here. Also on the zipper pull, there's a bit of discoloration. Let me try to zoom in. See there, discoloration. And quite a bit of coloring on the pochette here. But the canvas of it is in great quality. It's has no scratches. The corners are good. There's no scratches on the corners. And the piping is good. Here's the other side. Looks pretty good. The interior, let me show you, has a bit of discoloration, as you can see. Here is the date code on this side. Try to zoom in here. Try to get a better look at the date code here. So you can see it's legit. That's the date code here. Inside it smells a little bit musty, so I'm a little disappointed. But I'm gonna spray this with a spray that I have to take away the must smells. If you want some more information about that, you can leave me a comment of what I use to get rid of the must smell. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Overall, it's an okay quality. I would say fair to good. I got this for a great deal. It was $180 and it retails for over $300. So as far as the deal, it's actually a really good deal. So if you like this video, follow me here, subscribe to my channel, click on the link below for the subscribe button, or follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. Thanks again, see you soon, bye.